Hello friends, welcome to Developers Nation. I am Aman Gupta. Today we are learn about content writing, how we are make content and earn money from them. So let's start. There is a lots of content writing and making money from them ways. I'll tell you those ways or tips in this video which is working for me. So what is content writing? When you write something for a specific topic, purpose or specific keyword and provide a bunch of information knowledge around that topic or keyword is called content writing. Suppose you want to write about the headphone you recently buy, so you will write about headphone, its pros and cons, and why you should buy these headphones and how this beneficial for you and what this like in this headphone, and show some quality and the durability of these headphones, etc. So this is the content writing for headphone which you buy recently. This kind of thing when you write purposely for any kind of keyword or specific topic, which is called content writing. So how to write content? The most important thing in content writing is how you will write the content. To make most out of your writing, you have to focus on the some things I am going to tell you now. So first, there is 3 factors that were important in content writing, which is heading, or you can say the topic. The heading is very important thing when you write content, because it gives the direct information or idea about what are you going to talk about later, and what the reader get from this content when he finish the reading of this content. So heading will be creative and attractive to viewers. The main work of this heading is to catch the reader's attention and make stick to read the whole content. The next thing is introduction or table of content or your post or your content. Introduction, this is the part where the whole magic works. This part includes hooks, problems and promise to get solved after some reading these contents. After in future, when the reader read this whole content and he gets some solutions of his regular problems, which will you mention on introduction, and you have to promise to solve that problem going to along this content. Here you will make in introduction to motivate readers to read the whole content and show them which things are included in this content, and use a table of content or list to the users will get the freedom to skip the part which they don't want to read or don't like, or they directly jump to that topic they want to read or interest in that topic. This is the introduction part. Second is main body, guys. In this part you will have to tell everything you promise and give them information related to that topic, and don't go out of the topic, guys. Then you have to write the content, stick to main topic and your content or your keyword related to. Remember, the sentences are very short and brief, and long sentences are irritating and make sure to hit the idea or get the reader's full attention to your content in this main body. You have to make interesting and attractive writing to the readers, and don't make spelling and grammatical mistakes. No one wants to read that kind of article or post. There are lots of content related to one topic on internet. So remember, you have to make your content just point to point and get the full attention of your readers, and give them a reason to stay and read your whole content or post. The next thing is conclusion, which is the last part of your content writing or blog post. This part is very important to readers. When someone open your content or blog post, they directly go to the conclusion and read the conclusion. What is the conclusion of this post? If they like the conclusion, they are going to read the whole content. So that's why the conclusion is very important, guys. We have to write a brief and concise conclusion. We have to give a sense of competence to our readers. Here you will show how to read what is the benefits of the content and what reader can do after the reading of this whole content, and what they have to do, or give them some downloadables or provide the PDF version of your whole content, so they can download this PDF version of your content and read them when they need to. Or suppose someone want to read after on offline mode, so they can download your content and they read without the internet. So this is the basic conclusion part. So you can learn content writing from Coursera or other website just like Udemy. You can join any Udemy course which is above 4-star rating and the reviews is good, so you can join any Udemy course if you want to invest on your content writing skills. So let's talk about how you can make money from content writing. So yes, you can make money from your contents. So let's see some tricks and topics to where you can make money of your content and monetize your content to make money. So first thing is freelancer. Here is the famous quote of Joker: if you are good at something, never do it for free. So if you are a good content writer, you make money from your content. This is the part when you write good content in best quality, when you provide to your readers, they buy your content or hire you for your writing. So this is the freelancing. When you enter on freelancing, this is the very hard way to get your content promote. First you have to write lots of content for free, and then you get the ratings higher and higher. When you become premium content writer, then you get lots of money from your clients. So this is the list of some freelancing website, which is Fiverr, Upwork and Freelancer. Mostly I will prefer Fiverr, which is very easy and very easy to handle, and user interface is very user friendly. So I'll prefer Fiverr to do some freelancing. So second topic is affiliate marketing. This is the best way to monetize your content. If you want to make money fast and easy way, you can use this method, guys. In this process, you sell product to your users by influence of your content and your trust. Basically, there is large big company who want to give you the opportunity to become an affiliate for their products, and by using your content writing skills. In this affiliate marketing, almost every big company have affiliate program. You can join the affiliate program by going down on the footer area. They have affiliate program or affiliate, any kind of affiliate. You have to click and fill up the whole form. Then you get registration. So here is some list of affiliate website which will provide you lots of clients, and these websites are hand-picked website which I am also use personally. I am use Rockton Advertising, CJ Affiliate and ClickBank. These affiliate websites are best affiliate websites. They will pay you well, and these user interface and reliability of using affiliates is very good. So these are the 3 affiliate website, guys. So let's jump to the next point, how you can make money from content. So here is the blogging. This is the old and easiest method. Everyone are have blogs, and they make lots of money from their blogging. You can write blog on Blogger, any WordPress, any content management system, or you can make your blogging website. So you can make money from your content. In the blogging, you have to share your content, and you have to build a great blog and relationship to the users who pay you through the ads. You can apply some ads from the affiliate or ads, Google AdWords on your blogging website, so you can get paid by your blogs. Next big thing is on content writing. You can make money from your social media accounts. Now you can make content and share with your friends on social media like Facebook or Instagram. You have to just make a Facebook page and gain followers. When you get 30,000 plus online active followers on Facebook or Instagram, you can monetize your Facebook group or content. You can run ads on Facebook page and earn money from them. Facebook give you the creator studio, where you can manage your whole Instagram and Facebook content and monetize them. Creator studio is very helpful if you choose to become a content writer on Facebook or Instagram. There are lots of features like an Instagram and Facebook post scheduler. They give you nice statistics of your content and lots of features for free to collaborate with your brands and promotions. Monetization with Facebook. Content creators and publishers can use variety of different monetization tools to earn money on Facebook depending on your audience and kinds of content you produce. You can find combinations that works for you. Page eligibility. You can meet the eligibility criteria when you use monetization tools on Facebook Creator, and some tools might have additional requirements. Review which page are eligible to apply for access. You will receive an email after your application has been reviewed. So there is the followers. When to minimum of 10,000 followers, discover new way to get your audience and make engaging contents. You have to 1 minute view for every 3-minute video. In last 60 days, you have to need 30,000 1-minute view on video that are at least 3 minutes long. So here is the Facebook Creator. When you using your content to post on your Facebook or Instagram, you can use this Facebook Creator Studio. This is the very helpful for your content writing. Next step is to make money from your content is URL link shorteners. You can monetize your content by some link shorteners. When you provide some valuable link which help to your users to get them some valuable links. Then you can monetize those links by using shorteners. When someone clicks on your link, they usually see some 5-second pop-up ads, and it's fine if your link or content is valuable for them, which will pay you well, and they will user-friendly website. So here is some website for link URL shorteners. First is AdFly. This is #1 URL shortener service website. Second is sort.ps. This is also the best link shortener website, which I'm use both these websites to make short big links. And so to become, and the last part of this post or your video is that when you become a master in content writing, it takes time. It's easy to write anything, but it's hard to write something valuable which makes a difference in people's life. Being a content writer is very responsible job. You have to commit to give the best quality content to your users each and every time, guys. So in the end, I'll suggest you, if you really want to become a content writer, you have to give this skill time and practice to write well. If you do this well, you will earn money as well from your content. Thank you guys to being with us and watching this video. Share this content or share this video to your groups or friends who need this video. Then I'm going to tell you about some my role model to content writer or digital. I'm following them and admire their advices in life to become a great digital marketer or content writer, as well as good person in life. So first, my ideal is Neil Patel. He is a New York Times bestseller author. Wall Street Journal called him the top influencer on the web. Forbes say he is one of the top 10 marketers, and Entrepreneur magazine says he created one of the 100 most brilliant companies. He was recognized as a top entrepreneur under the age of 30 by President Obama, and top 100 entrepreneurs under the age of 35 by the United Nations. Then second is Seth Godin. I hope I'll pronounce the name is right. For more than 30 years, he been trying to run on lights, inspire people and teach them how to level up. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please share this video with your friends who want to become a content writer or just make money online, so they can get some idea